Jennifer Booker, the owner and executive chef of Your Resident Gourmet. And today I'm going to show you how to make a Brie, bacon, and raisin dip. Here are your ingredients. You'll need a little bit of salt and pepper, a small wheel of Brie, a little hot sauce, chopped onion, dried raisins and craisins, chopped bacon, and a little bit of sour cream. So here's a matter of just mixing all of our ingredients together. We'll set that to the side. We'll open up our Brie, and then we'll top our Brie with our dip. So here we go. So in your bowl, you want sour cream. We'll add our onion. I'm using a sweet Vidalia onion, but I'm also going to add a little bit of hot sauce, so it'll add a little bit of bite to it. A little bit of salt. Cheese tends to be salty, so be careful with your salt. And some fresh cracked black pepper. And I'll add a little bit of bacon and a little bit of our dried raisins and craisins and a little bit more on top once we're done. I have a mix of your golden raisins, your brown raisins, and some craisins. I have a mixture of all of our ingredients, and remember, just a little bit of the bacon and raisins, because we'll add more later. So we'll mix until this is nice and combined. And believe me when I tell you, Brie goes really well with bacon and fruit, so our raisins. All right, once that's mixed, we'll set it to the side. And now we want to cut open our Brie. So all I'll do, make an incision on the side, press lightly on the top, turn it on its side, and cut all the way through. Okay, set the bottom of your Brie in the middle of your plate. Add your bacon, raisin, and onion dip right on top. A little more bacon, a little bit more of the raisin. Then we'll make a little sandwich. And then we'll garnish with a little bit more bacon, a few more raisins, and we'll serve this with fresh fruit like grapes and berries and assorted crackers. And here you have your Brie, bacon, and raisin dip.